Okay, so this is the data sync filter feature with shareables. So what it does is once you have it turned on, when you have a widget embedded on a website, you may want the user to be able to choose filters and then have those appear in the URL bar of your entire website itself, not just the widget. And why this is really good is that if the user was to go back to this page, it will filter any widgets directly embedded in it automatically so that both your website and your widget stay in sync. And so this works really nicely, and the user can clear information and they can go backwards and forwards. And it also means that you can send a link to your website and they can have that information pre-filtered for them. It gives a little bit more control than just adding filters to your widget links directly inside your website. Now, it's really easy to set up. So over in Shareables, when you have your widget itself, what you need to do is publish your widget. After you publish your widget, you will see this box here with your embed links. And so down here, you just need to turn on sync filters with page URL. Once that's done, it'll work automatically. So just copy this link in here, paste it into your website builder, and then you will be able to adjust the filters as you want and have that information appear up in your URL bar.